Hi, welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. Now I will be unboxing this X96 mini smart TV box. This one I bought from eBay. It cost me about 37 US dollars. Let's check what's inside. This is a power adapter one. Remote control. The HD cable to connect to your TV. A user menu. So you use this user menu to learn to install your device. Okay, empty inside. A simple small device. This one I bought is to convert my TV to a smart TV so that I can play games inside and watch some YouTube. Okay, I have connect everything. Now I use the remote to start. Oh, the startup really took quite long. You see they got the Play Store, YouTube, and you can Google. They got a Google Chrome there. You need to connect to your Wi-Fi for internet connection. Okay, let's check how can I watch YouTube now. Oh, if you use the remote you can't scroll down. That's too bad. Okay, go back. Let's see other apps they have. What's this? My Facebook. Okay, I already logged in just now. Okay, we check the Mrbeast. Okay, this part I already fast forward because it's load quite long. And my internet is only 300 MB. Okay, I have to join member. Okay, now I connect a mouse so I see can watch YouTube or not. Yeah. Okay, go to my channel. choose one of the video from my channel. Okay lah, choose a cat video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel